Hi, my name's Deb Marnie and I'm from Aussie Maille. Welcome to our chainmail tutorial channel. Hey guys, welcome back. Hi, hello, it's really good to see you here. Today I'm going to be demonstrating for you a project for our Mail It in Minutes list. And today I'm going to be doing a pair of earrings using Byzantine and a captured bead weave. So they're really simple, really quick, but they look stunning. Alright guys, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so here's a sample pair of the earrings that we'll be making up today. And to make these earrings up, you're going to need the following components. So working in bright aluminium in 18 gauge AWG, which is 1.0 millimeter diameter wire. You're going to need rings that are 6.25 millimeters ID, and you'll need 8 of those rings. In the 18 gauge 3.5 millimeter ID rings, you'll need 20 of these. You're also going to need a pair of ear wires. These ones are just some stainless steel French hook ear wires. And you're also going to need a pair or two of 6 millimeter round beads. Now, these ones are the cracked glass round beads. If you're going to use the check glass round beads, which are a little bit more consistent in their sizing, a little bit more accurate, you can go down to a 6 millimeter ID ring. But you'll also need a pair of, or 2 pairs of smooth jawed pliers. These ones are pliers from the Xuron range. These ones are the chisel nose, and these ones are the short nose pliers. Okay, so to start this, I'm just going to pick up our ear wire, and I'm going to feed on 2 rings, because my ear wire can take 2 rings. So these are the 18 gauge 3.5. So I'm going to start by making the Byzantine section up first. So to do that, we're going to need, as we would with any Byzantine, a chain of 3 pairs of rings. Okay, so you do that now. Make up your chain of 2, 2, 2 with your 3.5 millimeter ID rings, or the smaller rings that you're using. Okay, just one more. Okay, so once you've got your starting chain of 3 pairs of rings, we're going to hold that and we're going to create our half Byzantine unit. So to do that, we're going to hold on to our work. We're going to flip those top rings, one on each side of our piece, take them all the way back against our piece, and then we're going to separate out these 2 top rings here. And then once you do that, you can see that in there is that space. Okay, so the next rings we're going to add are our 6.25 millimeter rings, and we're just going to put it in there through that space, like we would if we were creating a normal Byzantine. So we'll put 1 through there. And I apologise for any background noise. Sounds like there's a little bit of construction going on with one of our neighbours. I hope that's not too bad for you. Alright, so I'm going to pop another 1 through there so that we've got 2. Okay, so this is what our work currently looks like. We're going to add 1 more pair of our large rings to the end of our chain. Okay, so there's 1 and 2. Okay, so once we've got those 2 pairs of large rings placed, I'm going to position them so that they form a little cage. Okay,
just like that. And in there I'm going to pop our bead, and then I'm going to close our cage up around that bead, and I'm going to lock that in place with another one of our small rings. Okay, so these are the 3.5. Okay, so we've now locked that safely in place, and I'm just going to add 3 more rings of the same size, so that we've got a total of 4 rings going through our capture there to finish off the earring. Okay, so there's 3. I mean, you could stop at 3, you could stop at 2, it's totally up to you. I'm just going to pop 4 in. Okay. And there you go. It's a half Byzantine bead captured earring, or whatever you would like to call it. Just whip up the second pair and you've got a nice pair of earrings to wear out. So just as a design note, I did use 18 gauge 6.25 rings here with these cracked glass beads. If you're using the check glass round beads, the 6mm beads, I find they're more consistent in their sizing, and you can use 18 gauge 6mm ID rings when you're using those. But there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.
Okay guys, well that's it. That's the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed watching it and you enjoy making your new earrings even more. If you did enjoy the tutorial today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up here at YouTube, share the video, leave any comments or questions down below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Also, while you're here, don't forget to check out all our other videos. We've got over 150 videos at time of recording on our channel, so I am sure you will find something here that you like. And also, while you're here, don't forget to check out our shop link up here in the corner, where we sell all the tools, components and everything else you will need to make these tutorials up. Alright guys, thanks again for joining me. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day, and I hope to catch up with you sometime again in the very near future. Bye!